Former instructor of Trillanes in PMA reveals shocking about the senator and his family. Ulitin ko, hindi po sa akin ang galing ito. Ito po yung post ng The Trending Facts. Nilustay ng kanyang tatay ang pera ng AFP. Yan ang sabi dito. Hindi po ako nagsabi. A former instructor of Senator Antonio Trillanes in PMA revealed something about the fiercest critic of PRRD and his family, Captain Vicente Sehoko, who known for being the outstanding Filipino soldier of 2013, shared his experience with Trillanes as his instructor in engineering subject. Nako, matindi ito. Sehoko comment was posted publicly by netizen Choli Abilia Cabanban, who's also an alumnus of PMA. You can check and verify yung mga pangalan na yan, ha? Again, this is a share from the Facebook. Sabi nga ni Alunir Gameplay, salamat. A clown entering the palace will become circus. Taray, in English mo pa. Ito, sabi naman dito, according to him, ito, sabi niya, according to him, Antonio Sr. used the budget of the AFP-PNP telephone directory at that time in gambling activities. Naku, matinding paratang to. Again, binabasa ko lang po ito. Hindi po sa akin galing ito, ha? Ito'y binabasa ko lamang po. Post po ito ng The Trending Facts. Because of this, Sehoko, who replaced Trillanes Sr. in his position, made him forced to solve the problem made by the senator's father in his office. He also narrated how Trillanes IV received a VIP treatment during his cadetship in PMA, calling him shabby for taking advantage with other cadets. Naku po. Yari tayo dito. Ibig sabihin daw, ginamit niya yung lakas ng kanyang ama. Yun ang sinasabi dito. At nagpa-VIP. Naku po, patay tayo dyan. He also narrated how Trillanes IV received VIP treatment, calling him shabby. Ito, Sehoko claimed that Trillanes didn't receive any punishment and the senator even sleep in the office of his instructor. Ang bira, oh. Hindi natutulog doon sa barracks, natutulog lang doon sa the aircon na opisina ng instructor. You can read this whole post below. Person comment from Commodore Vicente Sehoko, AFP PMA Class 82 2013, Outstanding Filipino Soldiers Awardee, TOPS. Trillanes belong to the most junior and last class of PMA cadets I handled at PMA as instructor engineering subject. His father, Antonio Sr., PMA Class 1959, was the Assistant J6 Deputy Chief Comel, AFP when I was commander of PMA Comel, tama, hindi ko alam kung ano yung COMMEL company, and the Comel Staff Officer of General Biason during stints as PMA Superintendent. Antonio Trillanes Sr. always called Dam Guard. Naku. Trillanes IV to report to my office after asking the PMA Commandant General Victor Garcia and General Narciso Abaya to release Antonio IV from any duty during Saturdays and Sundays. Malupit. Bawal i-training ng Saturday, Sunday. Para talagang merong sarili hong lupit nito, ha. Sabi dito, while his mistas were dying in the hallway of Melchor Hall during company level punishment or mase-mase, hindi ko alam kung ano yung mace-mace o mase-mase, Antonio IV was enjoying in my office cooking, eating a lot of boodles along with his 3 roommates. Again, wala po akong sinasabi dito. Ito ho ay sinishare lamang po natin mula sa The Trending Facts. Okay? Ito po ay share lamang po ito. At ito po ay public post. Okay? At ito po ay binabasa lamang po natin. Ulitin natin, binabasa at atin lamang pong itinatranslate sa Tagalog. Okay? O, sa aming madaling salita daw dito, sabi wala daw siyang ginagawa kung hindi magluto at kumain. O, ha? May kasama pang 3 roommates. Uy. Ang tanong dyan, ako tatanong ko lang naman, yung roommate niya ba lalaki o babae? Tanong ko lang. Hindi ako sure. Medyo may pagka-shabby. Swapang rin ang mokong na ito. Ito, puso ito ha, ni Vicente Sehoko. Yung tatay at nanay niya ay palaging umaakit sa Baguio. Sa kwarto ko, sa office na tutulog, libre lahat. Hatid sundo ko, pakain ko, etc. Ay, grabe. Grabe naman to. They usually arrive late Friday afternoon and depart early morning of Monday. When I reported for duty at the office of Chief Comel AFP upon request of the Chief Comel AFP Antonio Trillanes DC, naku po. Mas mataas pala yung yung kanyang tatay kaysa dito sa nagkikwento. Just retired and was a dealer supplier of various items. Naku. Yung tatay daw. Di umano. According to dito, di umano. Sabi dito, supplier daw. Dealer and supplier na iba't ibang item. Ano kaya yung item na yun? Sa GHQ at AFP. During those times, conversion and ghost deliveries were rampant and his father was able to convert DBM Saro to cash. The budget intended for AFP PNP Telephone Directory Publication. Grabe, sweetie, ha? Thank you very much. Oh, sabi ni Ian Nabi, sarap ng buhay niya sa PMA. Mga kapatid ko, patay lahat. Kuko, pag binibisita namin. Talaga, grabe naman yung Ian Nabi. Lupit pala dyan sa PMA. Ha? Dito, sabi dito sa post, ha? Hindi ko sinasabi. Oh, linawin ko yung sinabi ni BP Sara Duterte, Trillanes. Magkaiba ang assume sa opinion. Wala po akong opinion dito, ha. Again, I will say it for many times so that you won't misinterpret me. Wala akong sinasabing opinion dito. Ito ay sinishare lamang natin at ini-interpret lang natin sa Tagalog. Pinapaliwanag lang natin yung pinost dito. During those times, ayan, tapos na. Unfortunately, that money was used as bet in... Boy, talaga? In the casino in Mahjong where Antonio Sr. lost everything in a blink of... So, sabi dito ni Vicente Sehoko ay ginamit daw sa casino at saka Mahjong. Sabi naman niya, being new to the office, I never had any idea of what was going on in my office. My first task then on my first week of duty was how to produce 1.5 million cash to print the AFP telephone directory. At that time, that converted cash was already lost. Ang trabaho daw niya, maka-come up ng 1.5 million para doon sa AFP telephone directory. Kaya lang, nung siya na ang naging head doon, sabi niya, naubos daw. Di umano, ha? Sabi nito. Hindi ko sabi, sabi niya. Okay? Being new to the office, I never had any idea of what's going on in my office. My first task then on my first week of duty was how to produce 1.5 million. Pagkamalas ko naman, kagaguhan ng tatay ni Antonio Defort ang nautusan maghanap ng pera kapalit sa nalustay. Grabe. So, parang nagagalit ito. Kinikwento nito ni Vicente Sehoko na nagagalit siya kasi parang nalipat sa kanya yung burden na mag-create na 1.5, inubos daw, di umano. Sabi niya, hindi ko sinabi Trillanes, sinabi niya, hindi ako Sabi dito, I accomplished my task to produce funds and print. The AFP director using funds I solicit from various commercial company. This was upon orders of my superior and all money solicited to the last centavo were properly accounted for. Swerte niya. Perang nilustay ng tatay niya na palitan ng kanilang kagauhan na pagtakpan. His mother earned money as a dealer. Naku, pati pala daw ang nanay. Sabi nito hindi ako, sabi niya. His mother earned money as a dealer. She allegedly made magic bidding documents to corner contracts and convert Saro to cash. Grabe naman. Grabe. She did these things in cahoots. Ito yung kanta ito Cahoots. Kahoot is on fire. Iba yan. With some crook and personnel. Seoko first-hand comment received thousands of shares and likes on social media, especially after President Rodrigo Duterte accused Trillanes' parents of being involved in the deals. Ito pala sinabi pa mismo ni Pangulong Duterte. Si Pangulong Duterte yung nagsabi, hindi po ako Okay? Sabi ni Pangulong Duterte, kaya naglabasan itong post na ito nung pagkasabi ni Pangulong Duterte na kumita daw di umano yung kanyang magulang. Nako. Again, para sa kaliwanagan ng iba, binasa lang po natin. Ito po'y nag-trending noon. Okay, ito po ay time ng I think it was 2018. Nag-trending daw po ito noon. Ito yung sinasabi ni Pangulong Duterte. Naku po. Tapos balak mo pang maging mayor ng Caloocan? Patay tayo dyan. Hindi. Ako, maganda siguro. Kasi hindi naman po ako nagsabi nito. Hindi ako nagsabi nito Ito nag-trending sa social media na binasa lang natin. Ako, since meron ka namang akusasyon kay Senator Bongo at may akusasyon ka kay Pangulong Duterte, why not answer this accusation of your dating instructor? Accusation to nung dati mong instructor na pinost niya, na nag-trending. Okay? Ngayon, may akusasyon ka kay Pangulong Duterte, may akusasyon kay Senator Bongo. Noon pa lang, inulit mo na nga yan, recycle na nga yung akusasyon na yan. Gusto mo sumagot si Senator Bongo, bakit di mo sagutin ito? Di ba? Hindi. Ako, hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung totoo to o hindi. Hindi ko talaga alam. Wala akong kinalaman, binasa ko lang. Wala akong sinasabing totoo to. Hindi ko talaga alam, malay ko. Binasa ko lang naman. Ako nga, hindi nga ako alam mo, I give the benefit of the doubt. Baka naman hindi totoo yan. Yung mga akusasyon sa'yo, Trillanes, malamang hindi totoo yan. Baka namumuliti ka lang din yan. Kasi, ganun ka di ba? Pag may mga akusasyon ka, sinasabi namin, namumuliti ka. Ikaw, baka sa tingin namin, namumuliti ka lang din yun. Pero maganda niyan, sagutin mo.